I would start by identifying the source, how they're getting into the home. A lot of times people don't treat their pets for fleas and they end up picking up fleas either in the woods, outside in the grass, something like that. If you take your pets to the vet regularly and treat them with flea medication, a lot of times the fleas will naturally not be able to live in the home. If you're unable to find the source of the fleas, I would recommend having a pest control company come out and take a look at what source the fleas are feeding off of, as fleas cannot survive off of human blood meals alone. There are some natural remedies you can use that I've seen some people have success with. That includes things like diatomaceous earth, sprinkling that over the areas you suspect fleas might be hiding and vacuuming regularly in those areas. Washing your pet's bedding is also a highly effective form of getting rid of fleas naturally.